Hey Piyush, hey Gautam, what's up, guys? No worries, bro. As long as you are doing coding consistently, streak doesn't matter much. As long as you're solving problems. Shubham Bhatia, I am not consistent. I'm trying to be consistent now, but that is something that is you should ask yourself as well. If I can be consistent, you can also be consistent. A lot of people make switch with a job, right? So how do they do it? Because they work really hard. It's just simple. Been a while that I have talked to you guys. Shubham Bhatia, think of how much you used to do when you were in school, right? You used to go to college, school, study for 8 hours, and then come back to home and then go to tuition. It's just same as you can think of this as the tuition. And also, if you want to kind of do something in your life, then you'll have to step out of your comfort zone, right? Nothing is achievable in your comfort zone. What's up, guys? I know I'm little bit late, uh, but my plan was to come at 10:30, but then I was doing some problems on the side. Uh, then I thought that okay, I'll come live because when I'm in live, I'm not able to solve much problems because there is like TikTok and how's your health? Health is okay, bro. Getting better slowly, slow recovery. Gosh, hey, hi, bro, welcome. Why this? There is this guy. I think. Let me answer him for once and all right. Don't be jealous, guys. Uh, Okay, Nitin Dayal, not sure if he's listening. Everything that I say on channel is 100% true. If anyone has any doubts, feel free to book a session with me. I'm happy to show you all the upper letters. See. And also, bro, you can go to my LinkedIn and check, right? It's verified. I work at Microsoft. There is no if and else in that. But still, so Rajal Divedi, probably you are listening now, right? So let me ask you one thing, right? I'm new to YouTube and I'm new to this thing. So if I get a hate comment, should I ignore it or should I answer it? What do you think? Your is a love comment, but still, just wanted to take opinion of the audience here. Like I am happy to ignore it as well, but then you guys should not think that why he's not applying to that guy, right? Okay, ignore it. Yeah, makes sense, right? Why to spend time? I can block them also from the YouTube. That is also one way. But like you guys should not. I don't want to lose out the credibility of the channel, right? Everything that I say in is in that. Ignore the noise. That makes sense, bro. Just just Susani, probably you can answer it on my behalf. Pratik, they hello, bro. How are you? Long time since I was in chat, bro. I was also not active, so I till I'll try if I can be consistent like I was earlier. But if you see, this was 6 days ago, 12 days ago, 2 weeks ago, right? If my health supports, then I'll be consistent, dead sure. This is episode 121, right? Good one. Yeah, Piyush, good one. Hey, guy, Piyush, you did not like the stream. I can see it, bro. 20 people watching and Jesus any, why would I block you, bro? You are a good person. Shubham Bhatia, hey, nice, bro. 21 graduate. Yeah. So, ignore, right? Okay. I'll ignore, guys, then. And there are not many people, but this guy, I think, this guy, right? I think something, maybe he's not able to understand. Piyush, I did not do that, bro. You only did that yourself, right? I did not do it. So what's up, guys? How's the prep going? How's everyone studying? Elegant. Let's open this. If someone asks me any question, and then let's open this if someone asks me any question. I keep revising, bro, Piyush. Just do one question also, easy question, bro. In exams, you have to maintain at least 8.5 CGPA also. So don't be too and also it is a long game, bro. Long game. You will see I am 4 years into this. I'm still learning every day, right? So it's like long game. Don't stress yourself and don't burn out yourself, right? It's a long game. Yeah, yeah, bro. Yeah, lead code contests are as close as it is to your interviews, right? So did you change your PC setup? Yes, bro. This is like 27-inch. It's not like I changed my PC setup. I moved. I am currently in Delhi. So that's why here I have a different setup. How's my headphone? This headphone is different. Bro, I asked you about Morgan Stanley thing that happened to me. If possible, can you? Rajal Devadi, bro, I don't remember. Advice you gave me really helped. What advice did I give you? And also, Rajal Devadi, bro, if it makes sense, can you probably drop a testimonial at this channel? Any video which you like, right? It is kind of helpful for others' reference. I also came. Nice, bro. Nice. How's your new job going, Pratik? Is it good? How's my headphones going? I'm using a different headset, like different from what I used to do earlier. Sarachandra, I'm good, bro. Is it better? Is it better than earlier, or how is it? So I have now three different headsets. Jabra Flex, Jabra Evolve, and Sony XM4. I've tried all of these four. Okay. Same as same as earlier then. No, okay, bro. That is also fine. Nice, nice, Pratik. Nice. Jasu Sani, bro, you should probably sleep, bro. It happens with everyone, bro. Srajal Dwivedi. I was ghosted by Zepto. Uh, I was ghosted by Zepto. I cleared their round, one DSA round. See, in DSA round, you know whether you have cleared it or not, right? If you have given the optimal solution. But there is sometimes hiring freeze and whatnot. And Zepto being a startup, there was a hiring freeze. It's very like what you say. It's not stable. If more package, no, bro, I am good with Microsoft. I think Microsoft is a really good company. It's not just about the money, right? Uh, so the Observe AI, just to FYI, Observe AI base was more than Microsoft, but it's not just about the money. It's about all of other things also, right? Shubham Bhatia, I don't think so. DSA, it should not change, bro. DSA is the only hardest thing in the interview. DSA and LLD. HLD is bit easy once you kind of go through different systems. If AI can do, it's like, do you think, let me ask you this, Shubham Bhatia, do you think JE mains or JE advance will go away with AI? AI can solve JE mains also, right? But that doesn't mean that you should stop doing maths, you should stop learning physics. It's like for your improvement. If AI can do it, that doesn't mean that you should stop doing it. Rajal Devedi previously saw one of you. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Sure, bro. Sure. The same. I think DSA is more like upskill yourself also, bro, to improve your brain and whatnot. I've solved this problem, the one that is on the screen earlier, but it just I'm revising through it. Given a root of binary tree, the value of target node, you have a value of target node, all the nodes would be unique. Return a value of all the nodes that have k distance from the target node, right? So 3, 5, all the value is unique. It should be unique. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, all the values are unique. One way is that I can probably find the parent of each, and then from this I can run a DFS, right? That is like two pass solution. So I can create a map of each node. Yeah, let's do it that way only. That's like a easy way of doing it. Maybe probably a brute force, but still, yes. Yeah, H1B visa is going to be. I also read the news, bro. It is going to be tricky. Just a reminder, guys, feel free to like the stream if you find it helpful. I have to kind of ask it why everyone likes it. H1B visa, I think it's tough news for people who had their wishes to go to abroad. But I don't really know what the news. I just know that US companies probably have to pay 1K, 100K. for each employee that they hire from different countries. Is my understanding correct? Yeah, it's going to be tricky then, man. Oh damn, bro. For existing employees also. GP war, bro, it is really tough. I would say like think 10 times before you go to masters, because a lot of my friends have gone. Not everyone is placed. They are also struggling, but it's not like that. Not everyone is not placed also, right? Some are placed, some are struggling. So just think about that also, right? Like, Shubham Bhatia, from where are you studying LangChain? Bro, from their website itself, their documentation and their website itself. GP Euro 4, bro, if you ask me, then I think it is not that worth it going to US for masters. Piyush, bro, don't wait, bro. You are thinking too much. Like, let me give you one advice, okay? Let me give you one advice. So, YouTube Aditya Verma DP. So, this playlist, right? Even if you don't know anything, where is it? This playlist. Like, think of this as a Netflix series. Think of it like a Netflix series on DP and binge watch it. Don't try to think that you have to understand everything, right? Because probably you'll have to watch this like 10 times if you're beginner, right? But if you watch this 10 times, right, then probably you will like the intuition will kind of sit in your system, right? That's how ABC has sit in our system, because when we were like in first or second, we were learning ABC every day, right? So watch this, right? Don't think too much. You're thinking too much, Piyush. Like before Diwali is when? Diwali is in October, right? Before Diwali, you should have finished this playlist. That is the target. Just watch it on weekends or when you're having lunch. Just binge watch it. Okay. Don't try to understand everything that he's saying. Probably you will understand once or twice when you'll be solving it again and again, right? You will understand. Only I think is it is in Hindi probably. That's the only drawback of this playlist. But it's like one of the best playlists out there. I think no one has kind of taught DP. Like there is revolution in any area, right? Just like lead code is a revolutionary in DSA prep, right? If lead code was not there, then probably it would be a bit messy. In the same way, if you're learning DP, then this is the revolution in DP. So just watch it, right? Try to watch. I myself have watched it 2 to 3 times, right? Once when I was in college, then when I was doing the switch. Piyush, yes, yes. Striver, yes, Striver's graph is also good, bro. Striver is also good. Any playlist I like, I personally like because his teaching way is different, right? Like, if you watch, like, if someone is coming in and teaching it is like this, then the goal of teaching is just to give the knowledge. No, no, what I want to say, like, no, like he didn't. I don't think so that Verma sir. Uh, really wanted to make an impact on YouTube. He just wanted to teach his way of doing this. So, see, just read this comment. Please follow the whole playlist since you don't skip any video. It's gonna spoil all the fun. But if you're gonna follow it order after this, you won't ever have a fear of DP. I can promise that for sure. Also, sometimes I know, yes, he does that a lot. But you will understand what I meant memorization and what I meant tabulation. Just watch and enjoy DP. Correct. Just enjoy it. That's it. Yeah, you see, like all different kind of people are kind of learning. See, this is how much a course is kind of worth it. It's like crazy good resource, bro. No one can touch DP the way he has taught. Just FYI, right? Ritik 2.0. Like he was unprepared in a way. Like it's not about being unprepared, bro. Unprepared is not right. Unprepared, I think, is not a right word, but your intention is correct. He was not teaching for reach or money. He was just putting out what he knows, right? And it's like glad to YouTube uh, that not sure if you can search it. Like this video came in around 2020, Feb 2020, and in March or April, I was preparing for my interviews, right? My interviews happened in July. So this series came at a really nice point. So you will find my message here and there. Probably search from Jagrat, you'll see some of the messages here and there. I do have commented on its videos. And in some of the problems, he says that don't solve it, wait and try to solve it yourself. In that also, it's like you kind of can solve it yourself, right? You see, like these are all good comments, bro. Easy. This is really nice, bro. But yeah, enough going to this. So you have got a parent. So once let's say fill parent, root parent, right? And then probably we can do a DFS, uh, DFS tree node root, and then This is like a brute force. There might be a better way. I will think of it a better way because it could come up as a follow-up in an interview. And int distance and int k, right? So the node here is 5, and then distance is 2. So this is 1, this is 2, right? So probably we'll start from 0 only, right? If root equal to null, then you just return. If distance is equal to k, list dot add uh, root dot value, and then you can do DFS of root dot left parent distance plus 1 k, DFS root dot right parent distance plus 1 k. Now parent of this node, right? Parent of root will always be null. So now here probably not sure if this will throw a null pointer. Parent dot get root, it will probably throw a null pointer. Let's just not do it that way. If parent dot contains key root, then you do DFS of parent dot get root parent is plus 1 k, right? List integer list is equal to new array list, right? And then return list and DFS target parent 0k, right? Not sure if I need to kind of mark them at visited, but I don't think so that would be required. This is also not required. I'll look at the chat, guys. I'm not looking at the chat. Yeah, so basically the thing is that when I come to this 2, right, I can again go back to his parent. So that's why the recursion is happening. So probably you will need a visited. Rajat Singh, hello, bro. Triple Vadora. Manas, what was the cutoff for Triple Vadora? Hey, Manas, what's up? Long time. How's the situation, Manas, at your place? All good? Sajal Devedi. Sajal Devedi, sorry bro, I was doing the question, not looking at the chat. Aditya Verma cooked way too hard. Yes, +1. Live cricket. Hey, hello, hello. Hey, really sorry, AP bro. Bro, ping me on LinkedIn, bro. Don't ping me on WhatsApp. Water is creative. How's the situation of the land? Like, I that with water, land also can get messy, right? Uh, hey, really sorry, AP bro. Really sorry to hear that. Just ping me on LinkedIn. I'll reply to you straight away, right now only. And I'll try to help you in any way I can. It is way beyond. Is Khalsa Aid still there, bro? Bro, can you suggest me? Yeah, just ping me on LinkedIn, bro. I'll reply to you straight away. And then we can chat offline. But try to create some other. Sharat Chandra, bro, you forgot me. How can I forget you, bro? The next line that is coming to my mind, I should probably not say it. Sharat Chandra, your name is Sharat Chandra only, right? Can we solve this with BFS or is it less heavy? You can solve it with BFS. Like there might be better way. Only thing that is suboptimal in this solution is this finding this parent, right? Now let's see if there is a way without finding the parent. How can one revise each question every day, bro? Bro, I would say go with Next.js because that works with both front end and back end, right? Help you as you are in college, make projects in any of the language, bro. In college, it doesn't matter, but do DSA in college. But don't go with Spring Boot because it is going to be a bit hard for you. That is again my opinion, bro. Everything that I say on this channel, my opinion. Man, your college is also good, bro. Ayush Prakash. Yeah, your college is good, bro. Are you still in the live stream, AP? AP, I'll try to see if people can refer you in different companies, right? That's the best thing that I can do, bro. If I had owned any company, then I'll probably give you a job, but uh, that's the best thing that I can do. It's tough luck, bro, because your college is also good. Oh, nice, nice. You don't have to call me sir, bro. Ayush Prakash, you don't have to call me sir. Probably try applying, bro. Apply to tons of opening ping on different. Like how was like how many people did lot of people got impacted at games? Bazi games. Not I've not heard of it, but he worked at a games game company, Manas. So he got impacted. Because it got banned right in India. Bro, don't care about projects. If you say you are specialist on code forces, that means that you are around 18, 1900 on lead code, right? That is pretty good, bro, to crack any. That is pretty good to crack any of the decent company out there, right? So keep applying. Probably, I think in 2 to 3 months you will get. Varun Arora, keep applying, get referrals if you can. Ping people on LinkedIn. Uh, Eventually you will get the opportunity. I think you are on right track only. Don't If you are night on lead code, if you stop doing DSA, then you will fall down only. So don't stop. That would be one advice to you, right? It is not a timing game, right? You will not get a offer tomorrow. So it might take 6 months, it might take a year, but it is going to happen unless you give up, right? So always the mentality should be I am going to do lead code as long as it takes rather than saying for 6 months. So in the same way, I am going to apply as long as it takes rather than saying 3 months, right? Don't don't time code it because if you do this, then it is going to give you stress, all of those things. Yes, sure, that is good, bro. Sharad Chandra. Okay, okay. What was your question? Yeah, that is correct, Sharad Chandra. DSA ideally should be done in college, but it is not like everyone. DSA ideally should be done in college. Yes, that is correct. That is the difference between IITs and normal colleges, right? Exposure. Exposure is the main difference between IITs and normal colleges. Now, I'm not sure whether this question will be accepted. We cannot go back in a trees, but we can go in a graph. Isn't it used to be hard? Think so took me. It's a binary week. Make a parent. That is okay. Is there a better solution also? Editorial is visible. Okay. This is their editorial. This would be logged. Best explanation, but with only 2 votes. This is way big, bro. Is this the best solution only? Yeah, I think then this is only the solution, probably. What I was thinking is maybe somehow you can skip this fill parent, but I think fill parent is something that you have to do only. Build a graph, right? That's the same thing as doing building a parent. Yeah, probably then we'll call it a day then. This is good enough. I don't want to waste too much time on thinking that, okay, probably we'll have to go with this. So why is this question hard? Zero, this is -1, this is -2. Simple tree. Sharat Chandra, bro, what are you doing, bro? Someone really red pilled me for ICPC, but I don't have no team. So thinking for Gate to at least get some people to participate with me. Take care. Thinking for Gate, bro. Why do you want to do Gate? Just to you'll have to do the whole MTech. Not sure. Yes, Shavakar. Okay, okay, bro. The resume never gets shortlisted. Even I also don't have. Yeah, Sharat Chandra. Good, good, good. Prepare, bro. Do questions. How many questions have you done? Bro, I'm going to use a tree map. Hash map of hash map. I think in this it will work, right? There may be multiple nodes in the same row and a column, which is this. Same row, this 3 and 15, right? Or this 1 and 5. This is then they're saying that sort it in order, right? So these are like same. One way is the tree map of tree map. I just solved this. Will it work there or no? It just solved this one in a different problem. before the stream. I think tree map is only the solution that I can think of. Bro, I don't know, bro, Sarachandra, bro. How would I know, bro? Sharad Chandra, bro, you are good, bro. You are funny. If anyone has not liked the stream, feel free to like the stream. It helps in sending the channel to other. After asking me, he's asking everyone in the chat. I can't. No, I said, bro, you are okay. You cannot get Sharad and Shaurya. Shaurya probably say this. It will not be that funny if he says that in English. No need to do tabulation, Jeevan. Memoization is good enough. No need to worry about. Kash Ranjan, bro, just do a crash course, bro. Udemy is what I recommend. So if let's say I have to find a course, right? Udemy, Java, Spring Boot. Udemy is the best source of knowledge. Probably this is, let's keep it on the side. Like Shreyans is good, but you should not buy a course with this less rating. Uh, this is awesome, bro. This again is awesome, but again less rating. But I have this course. I have bought this course. It's like building. It's the topics are really good in this one. Role play. Wow. But these are big courses, bro. Probably do a small crash course. You don't need to spend 500. So just do it from YouTube. Bro, what it is about? What is the course about? Champion bro, participate in lead code contests. That would be my advice. Participate in lead code contests. That is going to help you. Charachandra, bro, my thoughts, I think I already explained, bro. This is very straightforward. You can just use a tree map for this one. It's very straightforward. What is AGI? What are your thoughts on AGI? Not sure. Abhishek Singh, what are the Hussain? Not sure. Sonali Jaiswal, hey, hi. I completed 90% striver, but still have to do what you have to do, bro. Participate in lead code contest. That is something that is going to really help you. We are recently graduated with no placement, started doing DSA now. Should is it better to put all the effort into this interview where masters like great now? Naruto, bro, like both ways are correct, right? You can either do, but then again you have to study for 2 years if you go with MTech, but without uh, a job, it will also be. I think what you can do is probably like DSA is not required for all the jobs, bro. Like it is only required if you want to get into MNCs. What I would suggest to you is that you can probably get a simple job, right? Like freelancing or in a small startup, right? With what you know, keep applying, but it is going to be hard. Try that for 2 to 3 months, and then meanwhile upskill DSA, right? Let's say if you're not getting anything, then prepare for Arpit Yadav, bro. It depends on interviewer to interviewer. DP question could come in your online assessment. Uh, but generally, graph, tree, these questions are more popular in interviews, right? And live interviews. But again, you can't quote on anything. Probably, I would say that go through previous questions and that would give you better idea, right? Like it's a big company, so you cannot really narrow it down to one specific pattern of DSA. Mangjin, hey bro, what's up? Naruto, bro, what other option do you do have? Can you get into gate ad as early as possible? Like when does gate classes start? I think for this year it has already started, right? So, like, what option do you have other than whether it is going to affect or not? You can't really control it, right? So don't worry about that part. That would be my genuine advice to you. Don't worry about that part. Just focus on controlling what you can control, right? I think it's probably coming from bottom to top, right? Good night, bro. Good night. Pratyush Singh, bro, then look for a switch, bro. That is something that you have to do. I have not solved any problem like this, so I'm just going to try it for the first time. Not sure if this is going to work or not. What do you do, bro? Sri Vishnu, bro, you can find more about me on the right side. Yeah, pretty straightforward, yes. So it's like coming from bottom and filling up the value, right? Really nice problem. Nice and easy problem. How many openings did you apply to producing? Hey Vishnu, bro, that is a very open-ended question, bro. There are a lot of things like DSA, some. Bro, this problem I will approach. I can explain how I'll approach this problem. So if I get this problem in an interview, and then probably one thing is for sure that we have to come from bottom to up, right? So we'll take an example of this zero. So we are going to check whether it is going having any left or right. Both of this will be null, right? Now, so I can say there's zero, average zero by one is zero. So zero is equal to zero. So you are going to count it. But now as you move up, right, you are going to need a sum, but you are also going to need a count, right? Like how many values are there on the left side, how many values are there on the right side, right? So these are the two values that you are going to need, right? So for let's take an example of 8. Let's don't think about this, right? Okay, I have something better. So let me explain it in a better manner, right? So don't think about this. This is not given in the question, right? Just a second. Okay. So what I was saying is don't think about this is not given in the question. Okay. Now we have 8, 0, and 1 only, right? Now, if we talk about in this situation, the answer would be 0, 1. That's it. Like answer would be 2. Why? Because if when you are at this 8, you will be doing 0 plus 1 plus 8 by 3, right? So this is like 9 by 3, 3. 3 is equal to 8? No, right? This is not equal to 8, right? This whole thing. Now, so you need two things, right? You need the element count and then you need the sum count, right? These are the two things that you need. And then you have to come from bottom to up, right? So that's why if I go back to the solution. Now here if you see, right, that's why I have created this array. Let's say you have nothing in the tree. So you had like a empty null tree, right? So null tree, right? So let's say you had null tree. So in that you don't have to do, you'll just return 0, comma 0 and count will be 0. Now let's say you have only one tree. This is your root node, right? Now, if this is the case, so you are at this root is equal to null. It's not null, it is one, right? So you are going to do the left side of it. Left is null because here nothing is there, here nothing is there. So your left and right both are empty arrays. This is just nothing but an empty array. What you are going to do is you are going to take root value that is 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 0, this is equal to 1, right? And then what you are going to do for this LE is 1 plus number of, right? Again, this is 0. So now then you will do 1 by 1 is equal to your 1, right? So you will increase the count like this. So that is how I would like explain my intuition. And if someone asks me about the time complexity, this is O of n because I am only visiting each node one time only. I'm not visiting it twice, right? Uh, and then space, I think space might be due to these arrays, but not like how you. Bro, at least say thank you, bro. I spoke so much and you are saying not like this. Probably then some other day, bro. Already, I think it's 1:30. I don't open a Scrabble board, bro. I don't open a Scrabble board. I always create a note sections like this. Notes section. So let me, if I get this question, something that I would ask is what is the maximum value of n, right? Number of nodes which are there. And it's a binary tree, no, not many questions. And I would straight away just thinking there is not much. If the problem is this, then there are not much uh, probably clarifying questions, bro. There are no clarifying questions in this. Hey, hi, sir. Some bro tomorrow probably. It's already 1.5 hour running this stream. So I'm not going to solve any other question now. Probably. Or let me see. Why there are so many tree questions? Hey, hi, sir. Need your help, sir. Shikhar Gupta, bro, learn DSA, LLD, and HLD, and then make a switch. Just that. Learn LLD, Sri Vishnu. Bro, I used to do stream every day. Let me show you that. But now it is kind of not. Feel free to like the stream if you find it helpful. If you see, go to my live section, right? You will see that I used to do stream every day. You can find it here. This is episode 121, right? So, coming to the where I am from Punjab, bro. Ellen Sunny. You can find more details about me here. And this educative is really good. Feel free to use that. If you want to, you're looking for low level design and high level design, groking system design, you can get 70% discount using this link. Mhm. Oh, Sri Vishnu, you are new to the channel. Welcome, bro. Welcome, welcome. Damn, bro. If you're ICPC finalist, how is your resume not getting shortlisted? Bro, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, that's why you were in a quant. Then you pivoted to software engineering. You can go. So then DSA is not a problem for you. So Shikhar Gupta, DSA is not a problem for you. Uh, then Alan Sunny, just think of it. Why do you watch Netflix? Like, and bro, there is no if. I don't know why you people ask if you can just go to LinkedIn and then see that, right? What is that Udemy course in the right? Ignore that, bro. That is not something I recommend. Ashish H1B, yeah, bro. We were just discussing about that. But Shikhar Gupta, bro, it should not be a problem. It's just a matter of time, right? How much experience you have? If you have less than 6 months of experience in quant, probably you can make a switch with just DSA also. I don't think many questions will come up to you for HLD or LLD. Ashish Chaudhary, yes, bro. I agree. Some bro, funny. Damn, bro. Shikhar Gupta. Which year pass out you are? 23? Bro, try to first, if possible, make a backend switch in your own current company. No option of doing backend role in your current company, bro. Yeah, 23, I guessed it. So 4 more minutes and then I'll end the stream, guys. The stream is going to be always not more than 1 hour and 30 minutes. That is something that I can manage. So I'll end the stream in next 4 minutes. Shikhar, you can ping me on LinkedIn, bro. I'll try to reply to your questions if you have any. But I think it should be fairly simple. So you have 2 years of experience, bro. Then you HLD, LLD, everything is important for you. Some, bro, YouTube is not, I don't think now, not sure how it was earlier also, but it is not probably like one can't earn from YouTube if unless you upload a video every day, right? And that video gets 100K views every day. So His HLD. Alan Sunny, bro, depends on how much interview experience you have. Let's say if you have 2 years of experience and then you are going for SD1, then it might come up, but straight from college, no, it will not come up in your interview. Okay, okay, bro. Then you can just ping me, bro. I I myself send LinkedIn requests to so many people every day because I want to stay connected to good folks. So there might be a chance that I might have sent you a request. That is also possible. LinkedIn is to make connections, right? So I do send every day 10, 20 requests to all the random folks. Ashish Chaudhary, who's LinkedIn? Shikhar Gupta, please ping him on LinkedIn. Ashish Chaudhary, better would be you share your LinkedIn and then Shikhar can probably send you a request. Harshit, a long time no see. Yep, correct, bro. I was not doing well. That's why you did not see me. Bro, I have got a mild injury. Looks like you did not read this. So due to health reason, I'll have to take a life break and I need to focus on the. Still, I'm recovering, but yes, bit better. Mm. You don't have to call me sir, bro. Okay, guys, I'll be how to start LinkedIn as a mythic nature, bro. Watch this video. This video has everything that you need. Elegant engineer.